GDPR, is your business ready? Module 1, Introduction. On the 25th of May 2018, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, came into effect across all EU member states. GDPR provides one framework data protection law for Europe, representing a significant harmonisation for data protection requirements and standards across the EU. Having just one horizontal framework law to deal with will benefit business, promote responsibility when dealing with personal data, and help ensure that the same data protection standards apply across the EU. However, although a direct effect European Union regulation, GDPR provides limited scope for EU member states to implement further legislation to set national standards in some areas, such as the processing of health data and criminal convictions, the digital age of consent, and the circumstances in which an individual's data protection rights can be restricted. For example, in Ireland, the digital age of consent has been set at 16, whereas in other countries it has been set at 13. Accordingly, it is important for all businesses and organisations to be aware that they will be required to comply with the data protection standards and obligations set out in both GDPR and associated Irish legislation. This GDPR course and the accompanying checklist have been designed to assist in particular the small and medium enterprise sector, who may not have access to extensive planning and legal resources. Completing this GDPR course will help those businesses in particular to prepare for a business future that is data protection compliant. If you process personal data as part of your business, GDPR applies to you. It is important to remember that GDPR affects all business. In the context of GDPR, it is also important to remember that firstly, customer and employee data is personal data, and secondly, simply storing personal data electronically or in hard copy constitutes processing personal data.